The Himachal Pradesh government today has ordered that names and addresses of operators, proprietors and managers must be displayed at all food establishments across the state. Now, this comes after the Yogi Adityanath-led UP government on Tuesday passed a similar order directing food outlets to display the name of their owners, taking cognizance of recent incidents of spitting and mixing of urine in eatables. Earlier, the UP government had issued a similar order during the Kavar Yatra, which was challenged in court and was criticized by the opposition as well as some of its alliance partners.
जिस तरीके से उत्तर प्रदेश में भी वहाँ पर भी जो रेडी फड़ी वाले हैं खास करके उनके लिए ये मैंडेटरी किया गया है कि वहाँ पर जो है आपको अपना उसमें नाम और आईडी लगाना होगा। तो हमने भी इसको यहाँ पर पूरी मजबूती से लागू करने का निर्णय किया है कि जो भी अपना दुकान चला रहा है, रेडी फड़ी चला रहा है, उसको अपना आईडी, अपना क्लियर आइडेंटिफिकेशन उसमें करना होगा। वैसे भी क्योंकि अब ये स्ट्रीट वेंडिंग कमेटी बन चुकी है तो उससे आईडी दिया जाएगा और वो उनको डिस्प्ले करना पड़ेगा ताकि आने वाले समय में कोई भी अगर ऐसी कोई समस्या आती है, कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है तो पारदर्शिता से इस पर कार्रवाई जो है वो करवाई जा सके।
All right, let's go across to Gurpreet now for more on this story. And Gurpreet, it's surprising to have Himachal State Minister, Congress State Minister there citing the UP government, the BJP-led government when putting out such an order.
Well, yes, after Uttar Pradesh, we have seen Himachal Pradesh government has also set guidelines for the street vendors. What we have learned from the Himachal government, they have decided that each and every vendor, whether he is operating from the street or he is running any eatery food, he should display his identity, because if there is any incident like in Uttar Pradesh that had happened there, spitting or mixing of a urine with some food, if something happens in Himachal Pradesh, immediately that incident should be taken cognizance and government will be able to access all the relevant documents of that eatery so that action should be taken. So let's see that how the things will be coming up in the coming days. As of now, we have seen even some of the people, they were asking that there should be priority which should be given to the state residents, but now they say they are not going to form such type of law or guidelines, but this is very clear. They are going to have a meeting with all the vendors and they will issue the identity card so that they will put before their counter and their identity should be on record. And if any incident happens like this, like the way we have seen in Uttar Pradesh, some of the incident had been reported, immediately action should be taken. So let's wait for some time. We will see whether the opposition is going to accept it or not, and whether there is some political reaction of this guidelines which has been set by Himachal Pradesh after following Uttar Pradesh and or not. That is yet to be seen. Back to studio.
All right. Thanks so much, Gurpreet, for joining us with all those details. So the Himachal government, they're citing the UP state government order and issuing a similar order on identity of eateries in the state.